Hi guys, welcome to the fascinating world of business analysis. And in today's video, we'll see how we can use ChatGPT to write use cases. But before we dive in, hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel to receive many more videos like this. Hi, I'm Sajana Binil. I'm the founder of Business Analysis Hub, the fastest growing community of business analysts here in India. And in today's video, we will see a potential application of ChatGPT in business analysis. So, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an NLP model that uses deep learning techniques to produce human like tests. It can be used for contextual comprehension, that is to find out the context within a conversation. It can also be used for language translation and summarizing a particular text. Yes, text summarization is another feature. That means you can have conversation with ChatGPT just like you are having a conversation with another human. So ChatGPT is extensively used for creative writing, for generating reports, and for content creation. Now, if you want to know the potential applications of ChatGPT in business analysis domain, then I have done a previous video on that. You can go and watch that video after you have completed this video. In this video, we are going to explore how ChatGPT can be used to write use cases. So in order for ChatGPT to write an appropriate use case, you need to give it a proper prompt. So we are going to see right now what kind of prompt can help you generate a use case for your application. Let me share my screen. So here I am on the chat.openai.com website. So you can open this particular website and create a free account for yourself, and you get a console where you can type in the ChatGPT prompt. So I'm going to generate a use case that will help my technical team understand the manage profile feature in LinkedIn. So let's say you are a business analyst who's maintaining the LinkedIn website and you want to write a use case that will cover the manage profile feature in LinkedIn. So I first write, I am a business analyst managing the LinkedIn website. This will give a context to ChatGPT that it has to generate text that is resonating with business analysis. So the vocabulary and the jargons that will be used will be with pertaining to business analysis. Please write a use case which will cover the manage profile feature in LinkedIn website. This is going to be my prompt, and then I hit the send message. As soon as I hit the send button, ChatGPT starts generating use case. Take a look at this, guys. It has written a use case just like how a business analyst would write one. So the use case has a title, manage profile on LinkedIn, actors have been identified, and precondition is the user is logged into their LinkedIn account. And then the main flow or the happy flow of the use case starts. Take a look at this. Very nicely written that the user navigates the LinkedIn website, logs into the account, user clicks on the profile picture and or their name. LinkedIn website displays the user's profile. User initiates manage profile feature by clicking on the edit profile button. And this is the information that the user can edit when they click on the edit profile button. Take a look at this, guys. The steps have been so nicely and meticulously drafted. Also, the post condition has been indicated that the user's profile has been updated according to the changes made. Alternate flows are also listed. At any time when the user wants to cancel the editing process, how they can cancel it, and in case of technical issues or errors, how the system should respond back. Everything in a matter of few minutes. Now, when it comes to writing use cases, remember, guys, it can be a rather time-consuming and tedious task for a business analyst. With tools like ChatGPT, it can be completed in 2 minutes. So that's the beauty of it. Now, this particular use case, guys, can be broken down into several user stories. So if you're working on an agile project, you can further give a prompt to ChatGPT to break down this single use case into multiple user stories. As simple as it is. And these user stories can directly get into your product backlog. That's how simple it is. However, every use case that's written by ChatGPT has to be verified by the business analyst. So any new type of applications that you might be developing for your customer ChatGPT might not be a good choice to write use case for that. Just like I have written a use case for manage profile, you can also give ChatGPT directions about specific features included in your application. But if it's a customized application that you're building for your customer, then probably you'll have to give some more information to ChatGPT so that ChatGPT can write an appropriate use case. That's all for now. I hope you liked this video. I hope you found this video valuable. So if you have understood how to make ChatGPT write a use case by giving the appropriate prompt, then put in the comment box what is the ChatGPT prompt that we wrote here and what are some of the prompts that you as business analysts have started giving ChatGPT. Share your knowledge and you will always grow by learning. That's all for now. Thank you so much. Bye.